Hello makers, Melly here from AGF. Welcome to the AGF Quilt Block Collection. Get ready to be blown away by Pat Bravo's brand new fabric collection called Matchmade. Matchmade is meticulously curated to coordinate with all of her existing collections. In this collection, you'll find a great mix of blenders and 4 welcoming color groups: berry, gold, foliage, and midnight. Berry is of course my favorite color group, but I just had to sew with all 4 color groups. So today, I decided to sew up the Kentucky chain block. Using corner square triangles and a whole lot of chain piecing, have fun following along with me, and stay tuned to the end of the video to see all 4 of my blocks. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. Draw a diagonal line on all your 2-inch squares from fabric A, B, and D with a fabric marking pen and straight edge. Place your 3.5-inch squares from fabric B, C, and D out in front of you following this order. Take all your 2-inch squares from fabric A and place right sides together to each corner of your 3.5-inch squares as follows. Sew on the line you drew and have fun chain piecing each side of your squares to your larger square. Trim excess fabric, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and press open ends. Take your 2-inch squares from fabric B and D and place right sides together on the following squares. Repeat the same process of sewing on the line and trimming excess fabric. Place your blocks out in front of you following the block design and pin the first set of blocks and then the next set of blocks. Chain piece the first set and press your seams in alternating directions, with pieces still attached. Now repeat this same process with your other sets of blocks. Now sew your remaining seams to complete your rows. Pin your rows together, matching up seams, and sew together. Your Kentucky chain block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our Kentucky chain block is complete, and I love that X and a diamond look. Pink is my favorite color, but I can't decide which block is my favorite, so I'll let you be the judge. Here's my block in the berry color group, and here it is in the gold color group. Here it is in the foliage. And lastly, here it is in the midnight. Let me know in the comments what your favorite block is. For more fun sewing projects made with Matchmade fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric project catalog. The link is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing.